Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Bedrock token. Now before I start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Bedrock BR is the governance and utility token for Bedrock, a decentralized protocol that enables liquid restaking of Bitcoin, Ethereum and other assets to earn yield while maintaining liquidity. Core protocol: Bedrock is a multi-asset liquid tree staking protocol, pioneering Bitcoin staking through wrapped tokens like UniBTC. Dual token governance: the ecosystem uses a dual token model where BR can be staked to earn VEBR, granting governance rights and boosted rewards. Ecosystem focus: it aims to unlock Bitcoin's utility in decentralized finance DeFi across multiple blockchains via secure, transparent vaults. Bedrock project institution rating is 4.1. Bedrock token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 261.25 million BR token. BR token is listed on Binance Alpha, Bybit, KuCoin and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.